You are about to see why TOGAF 10 can either feel like just another framework or become the most practical leadership tool you have for running enterprise change without chaos. And if you have ever sat in a meeting where everyone is arguing about cloud security, platforms, cost, delivery timelines, and nothing is actually getting decided, this playlist is built for you. You are not here to collect diagrams. You are here to deliver outcomes. You want an approach that makes decisions faster, governance lighter, and delivery more predictable. And that is exactly what this TOGAF 10 series is designed to help you do. Now that you are clear on the outcome, here is the uncomfortable truth you already know. Most enterprise architecture fails not because the ideas are wrong, but because it becomes too theoretical, too heavy, or too disconnected from delivery reality. People hear architecture and imagine a big document, a few fancy diagrams, and a review board that slows everyone down. In this playlist, you flip that perception completely. You use TOGAF 10 as a leadership operating system where your real output is clarity, alignment, and controlled execution. TOGAF 10 is more modular and more consumable, which means you can use it like a toolkit rather than a rigid method, and you can keep it practical without losing discipline. With that mindset in place, here is what you are going to get from this series. You will learn how to set up architecture capability so standards are not optional. You will learn how to build an architecture vision that gets stakeholder buy-in without turning it into a slide deck exercise. You will learn how to map capabilities and value streams so prioritization becomes rational, not political. You will learn how to make data, application, cloud, platform, integration, and security decisions that reduce cost and risk without slowing teams down. By the end, you will not just understand TOGAF 10, you will be able to run it like an enterprise architect who is accountable for outcomes. Now that you know what you will learn, think about a scenario you have probably lived through. You are running a major modernization program. One team wants one cloud pattern, another team wants something completely different. Identity and access is inconsistent. Logging and monitoring is patchy. Integration becomes point to point and fragile. Costs start rising, incidents start increasing, everyone blames everyone. And then leadership asks the hardest question: why did we approve this design? This playlist shows you how to prevent that. Not with more meetings and not with heavier documents, but with a repeatable way to make the right decisions early, capture them clearly, and govern them fairly through delivery. Now that you can see what this series will do for you, here is how you should use it. Start with the first lecture and go through the playlist in order, because each video is designed to build on the previous one and take you from concept to execution. As you watch, apply the ideas immediately in your own organization, because this is built for real work, not theory. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with your current role and the biggest enterprise architecture challenge you are facing right now, because your comment will also shape what I emphasize in the next videos, so this playlist becomes even more practical for you.